Okay, coming in now to Greater Anglia. Going to Ipswich. No, it's not. It's actually going to Norwich, guys. Forget what I said, I'm a liar.
Just wipe my elbow on that.
Coming in now to Greater Anglia, going to Ely, not Ely, but stopping at Ely. Greater Anglia, class 755. The 66729, which is just currently decoupling, and it will be going round to the back, and it will be heading off to another line, I think. If not, I don't know. Pretty sure that's stopping. Yep, that's stopping. He's stopping, and then he will be going back, and he will be taking the freight onto the Queen Adelaide and then off to another branch. Now going back is the GBRF freight that is going back to Ely, and then it'll be coupling at the other end, as I've already said. 66729. And that Greater Anglia in the distance over there, that is going to Ipswich. This is the one going to Ipswich, I know. Yeah, I messed up. It's going on the Southern Branch line bit. Seven 55331. So guys, here is the 1651 going to London King's Cross, and freight there. I just realised I'll be able to read the numbers here. Oh god. No, I can't.
It's going to be quite a video this one.
Yep.
I can hear something like
They just didn't appreciate it, their loss.
Great Northern going to London King's Cross. It's not going to London King's Cross, it's going to King's Lynn. Honking! Right, coming now to Greater Anglia, which is going to Peterborough. Seven 337. Luke is probably going to beep. Right, passing now's the freight, which is going to Felixstowe Harbour, I think, but I don't know. I don't know how to track freights. Unfortunately. Let's see if it will beep or horn. Honk. Six, 780. Nah, I didn't beep, unfortunately. It's a long one. Oh, it was.
So,